Hi. In this video we'll explain what a skill score is, as featured on Skills Builder Benchmark. When you complete a skill survey on Benchmark, your answers are each given a value. Almost never equals 0. Rarely equals 0.25. Sometimes equals 0.5. Often equals 0.75. And almost always equals 1. At the end of the survey, Benchmark uses these values to calculate your skill score by adding them up. If you answer almost never to all questions, your skill score would be 0. And if you answered almost always to all questions, your skill score would be 15. Most skill scores sit somewhere between 0 and 15. Skill scores are useful for a couple of reasons. You can compare your scores for different skills to get a sense of which skills are your strengths and which are areas for development. You can also compare your skill scores from 2 points in time to get a sense of your progress in a particular skill. We hope you found this video useful. To find your latest skill scores, go to skillsbuilder.org/benchmark.